Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Basically, when you enter, you first see the TYC mural. It's something we're extremely proud of. But when you enter, you will see these sort of neon tube lights. And when you leave later, when you go out, it's actually the mural is about a portal. You're walking through a portal, and these tube lamps really signify that and push you into this new grand experience. Okay, so on my right, on your left, these are our meeting rooms, but they can be rebranded as brand engagement rooms. So similarly, Red Bull use this room as their streaming facilities, and this can be skinned to any brand that decides to come. Okay, similarly, we can hold workshops in our quite large meeting room, and we structure it this way because we anticipate doing workshops for PC building, for example. Okay, on the left, or on your right, you'll see a full setup, 4x4 PC setup for people to game and test our products. And the goal here is to really have people experience our PCs firsthand without feeling the pressure of having a sales staff work with them. It's free to play. People can come here and spend their entire day, ask their friends to come here and spend their entire day. No issues, we welcome them. It's our first notebook ever launched, and we have some more in the pipeline as well. So this is where the R&D magic happens in this frosted glass room, which I can show you actually. So that's Jiachen, my resident R&D guy. You can see he's testing stuff. So for example, when things like the Intel 12 Gen came, we got the engineering samples, and then Jiachen will be testing them and putting benchmarks together. So this is our new photography studio and video studio. Two of our brand partners here. One is Dreamcore. So most of you will have seen him on tech reviews and YouTube. This is Benjamin Rice Bucket. He shoots really. He's a illustrator by training, but he's also a content creator. He produces really good setup shots for PC. Okay, so these guys are PaperX. PaperX most recently competed in the Berlin Valorant Championship, and the top in Southeast Asia. So the details you get are the team PaperX.
Yeah, my name is Nick, one of the co-founders of PaperX, and this is Gab, another co-founder. Today we have Alex, our coach, and Shiba, who's our substitute player. We have a 6-man Valorant roster. Valorant is a 5v5 shooter game, as some of you may or may not be aware, made by Riot Games, the same creators as League of Legends. We're lucky enough right now to be ranked, as Eugene said, the #1 team in APAC.
So this is the assembly block where we build and test our PCs. Okay, on your right you have the builders. You can circle around if you wish. They are building PCs and producing all the orders that are coming through today. And on the left, you see our testers, and these guys run a full suite of testing, such as QC. They run burn-in tests. They ensure that when the PC arrives at the customer's house, it is 100% working out of the box. What you see down this corridor is our service center. We are still expanding this space at the moment with the growing orders. So you can see the guys troubleshooting and fixing PCs that have issues. Also a rack behind where we can store some of the PCs.